Probably experienced the knee pain for over 12 years. Had it come back, and this time it was much worse. Orthopedic surgeon, it was, we're going to replace your knee. I didn't want to do that. I don't like that idea. I didn't try a lot other than taking the over-the-counter medications. And once I took those and they didn't make any impact, that's when I went and saw an orthopedic surgeon. The knee program prevented me from having surgery. I'm convinced. Okay. I probably wouldn't have gone on much longer with that kind of pain. Okay. When every step you take, it's letting you know it hurts. You can only put up with that so long. So, and I try to ride my bike 3 to 5 days minimum a week. And that's what triggered it even more. So I'd had a heart attack 2.5 years ago. So, the cardiologist wanted me to do some type of cardio every day or at least 5 days a week. And so I bought the recumbent bike, and it impeded me doing the bike. So was the big happy point for me. I was able to get back on the bike and not feel the pain. To get in and out of my truck, I had to slow down, okay, and not get in and out like a normal reflex would be. But it really didn't get better until after I went through the stretching treatment here and then took the home kit and did the infrared light as well as the nerve regenerator. And I got to tell you, and I used the creams and I used the nitrous oxide that he gave me with it. And amazingly, my knee pain has gone to almost nothing. And if I have a problem with it, I do the home kit and it goes away. My wife and my father-in-law have both used the home kit. Okay, my father-in-law has his knee replaced, and it's bothering him, but it was replaced years ago. And my wife has used it when she's had knee pain, and both of them have been surprised at how well their knee felt afterwards. The home kit sits right next to my sofa, okay, because I use it daily in the evening. And then, as I said, if it's bad enough, I'll use it in the morning before I leave. It's real easy. There was nothing to it. You get your knee stretched, okay, and they strap your thigh, and then they strap your calf, and they just pull on it for a period of time, and so much weight is what they put against it. And then after that, I did the cold laser, which was, I think that was 5 to 7 minutes. It wasn't very long. Afterwards, I was very pleased. I'd recommend it to anybody. 2/3 of the way through the cold laser and the stretching here, I knew it was working, okay, because it made a difference, because that's all they do at first is the cold laser and the stretching, and then the home kit you take home afterwards. And the home kit just, it's not as intense as the stretching or the cold laser, but I can assure you, you'll know the difference. I'm just shocked. I didn't want the surgery. I did not want the knee replacement. And amazingly, my knee pain has gone to almost nothing.